how to edit and use a template within Google Slides. So what we love about the Google Slides template is that it still fosters collaboration, but can also create a standardized look and feel or make sure that certain elements are within a presentation. You can of course use this for your own presentations, but this is really useful when you assign something to students. With students, you can ensure that they have the same look and feel or the same key elements throughout their presentation, and you can also make sure that perhaps when they're collaborating, they're doing so in a way that's going to create a visually seamless presentation rather than something that looks like 4 different people worked on it all at once. So, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is choose the elements that you want in your PowerPoint. If you want to make sure that they have certain objectives, have an introduction, have an explanation, and goals, then you're going to want to include all of those slides. But you want to make sure that your students can go in and edit what this text says. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up into Slide, and you're going to go to Edit Master. So you'll see here we're in a different view. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and insert and a placeholder. If you insert text, just a regular text box up here, what will happen is that text will be something that the students cannot change, or you cannot change. So if you wanted to make sure that there is a name of the class, for example, on all of the slides, or on specific slides, you can always add that as a text box. It will never change. But if you wanted something that is changeable, this is where you're going to go ahead and add the placeholder, and then they will be able to edit this text however they would like. The next thing that I wanted to point out is you can also add a logo. You're going to go up into Insert, Image, Upload from your computer, and you will pick which image you want to open. Once that image loads, you'll notice I've added an ATSU logo here. Make sure that you resize your image from the corners so that it doesn't end up distorted. You'll notice now that every time I click on one of the sub-slides, that logo is exactly where I placed it on the very master slide. So anything that you want absolutely on the master slide, that is going to be on every single one of your slides. If you go into the sub-slides, that will only go onto those sub-templates. The final thing before you're ready is you're going to want to go ahead and rename or keep the name of your template. So if you want to be able to make sure it's findable, maybe add your class name or something that will help you find it. The only thing that you need to do now is make sure that your students have a copy of this template. So you can put this in a shared Google Drive, but your students do need to be able to have editing access to be able to use this template on their own slides. When you're ready, you're going to go up and create a new presentation. So you can actually do it from a template, but I'm going to go ahead and create a brand new one. And then we're going to go up into Theme. We're going to change the theme. Go down to the bottom, we're going to import a theme, and we're going to import it from our presentations. So from sample slides, this is why it's important to have it connected, but you can also have your students upload it. You're going to select, and now all of the theme is going to be there. Go ahead and click on it. We're going to import the theme, and you're ready to go. So you'll notice that the logo transferred through, and every time we add a new one, even if we add a new blank one, you'll also notice that logo is consistently there.